All right, everybody. I really want to thank you all for joining us. We are here today with Chrissy Wainwright, who is a 3-year alumni of speaking at the Python Web Conference. We've got the Python Web Conf 2021 coming up, and I'm super excited. The lineup of speakers is even better than the prior 2 years combined, I think, if you technically look at it as a whole. And so, Chrissy, what are you talking about this year at Python Web Conf?
So I'm going to be talking about debugging your Plone site. And to start with, it's going to be general debugging tips. So this is going to apply to anyone, whether you use Plone or not. And then from there, then I'll go specifically into how to debug in Plone.
Oh, wow. Sounds kind of deep and possibly intimidating. What are you going to do to guide us gently into this subject?
Well, it's supposed to be geared towards beginners. So if you have a problem with your Plone site or website, whatever it is, and you don't know where to start looking, I'm going to go through a step-by-step process of exactly where you should start, what steps you should follow, and just, to guide you along in figuring out what the problem actually is.
Awesome. I'm really looking forward to it. What else are you looking forward to this year at Python WebConf 2021?
Well, I'm hoping we'll get lots of people from the Plone community that I haven't been able to see in quite a while. I mean, we had the Plone conference last year, which was also online. I mean, obviously we're limited to being online right now, but it'll still be really good to see everyone. And having the face-to-face feature in Loudswarm is just awesome to be able to talk to people.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that as well. Also, the socials in the evenings. I love doing kind of the speed dating breakouts and getting to meet new folks who are joining us from around the globe. It truly is a worldwide event, and I'm super excited. Chrissy, I want to thank you for joining us and being a speaker at Python Web Conference 2021. For all of you who are watching, please go to pythonwebconf.com. You can get the latest details on all the speakers, all the schedule, and buy your early bird tickets right now. If you see this after the early bird cutoff, I'm sorry, but you can still pay full price and join us for an awesome event. Thank you very much, Chrissy, for being with us. Any final words for our listeners?
No, I don't know. I look forward to seeing all of you.
Yeah, me too. Thanks.